Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply. I'm here with my friend Jamie from Trend. And a question that we get all the time is on these carbide inserts in your helical head planer and on your turning tools, everybody wants to know how and if you can sharpen them. So I personally am not an expert on sharpening, but thankfully Jamie is. So Jamie, can you sharpen these things?
Yes, you can, and many people have been learning this over the last year or two, and it definitely can be honed and honed quickly.
Yes.
So
how do you do it?
Well, thank you for asking. We love to use our 600 grit credit card. These are double-sided cards. We also have 1,000, and there's applications if you want an ultra fine edge, you can get that on the 1,000 grit. But 600 is really good for carbide. And what we do is just simply lay this flat on the table, and our cards are very thick, so there won't be any bowing at all that you'll find in the consumer grade cards. And we simply lay the insert flat and without any pressure on some lapping fluid, which is very lightweight petroleum, do figure eights, and you should be able to hear that cutting. I'm using no pressure whatsoever.
So you're not pushing down at all?
No, you let the diamond do the work. 7 or 8 figure eights and you're back to work. This can be used both on your turning tools and on your helical heads in the cabinet shop as well. So it's a wonderful way to keep your tools honed up and to make them last longer.
So say we're doing like a helical head on a joiner or a planer, it would be wise, I'm thinking, to do every one with about 7 or 8 passes, just so they're all very consistent.
Absolutely, same amount of passes on each head, and just continue on.
Right.
So it's a simple method, but very effective and very cost effective.
And then you sell this stuff in kits, I assume?
Yeah, we have a kit that I don't think most of the world is aware of quite yet, that we put together that features all 4 of our grits. Okay, so basically we have this new kit that we put together, available through Stockholm Supply in Canada, that has all 4 of our grits that we offer, from very coarse 180, which is like the grinder that you don't have to plug in, is the way we explain that. 300, which is utilized greatly by the turners for raising coarse sharp edges on their gouges and coring tools. And then 600 and 1,000 grit for your finer work on your carbides, carving tools. Basically, for all your small tools, we have a kit that encompasses it all. It includes the lapping fluid, cleaning block, and like stockroom, we're built on education, DVD and book with a lot of information on how to utilize them, maintain them, and get an optimal performance out of your tools.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. So to sharpen these things, it's really not terribly difficult. A guy like me likely could do it. So yeah, again, any of you guys have any questions, comment on the video or email me at info@stockholmsupply.com. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.